Welcome to the Shuttleworth video on System Search. System Search is available in the 5.06 release and it allows you to quickly and easily find records on your database. The following fields are available in the System Search: contacts and communication numbers, company name and site names and descriptions, product, stock item, codes, description and user definable fields, estimate job, completed job and master estimate fields, invoice credit number, invoice credit item description, event number, title and comments, purchase order number, purchase item descriptions, and any template object that are ticked as searchable on your database. Before the system search is initialized, please consider the following. Template objects, user label fields, and product user label fields can be set to searchable. Fields set to searchable will be included in the initial data load, so it's advisable to tick these on beforehand. Template objects and user-definable fields can be set to searchable at any time, however you will need to run an update on the System Search database. To activate the System Search, once you've loaded the 5.06 release, you'll need to contact our support team. They will run a routine to populate the database. Once the System Search is switched on, the entity will be given to the administrator login. You then need to give access to the other users. To do this, the quickest way is to go to the entity file, search for the description called System Search, double click, open it up, click on the Users tab, click on the Add Remove button and associate the users. Once the System Search has been initialized and access has been given to the users, they will find the System Search file on their navigation menu. Just double click to open up the System Search selector. To activate the search, enter your text and click on the search icon or hit your enter key. Here the system has given us 8 matches and it's looking for all words, and it's looking for an occurrence of luxury and poster. The system will automatically sort the matches in entity priority, and by default all the search entities are ticked. If we change the filter to any word, click on the icon, the system has now returned matches on the word either luxury or poster. If we wanted to refine this even further, we can untick and ask it just to look at certain entities. You are also able to save any System Search filter by clicking on the Save As and giving the filter a name and saving it. If you save a filter, it will be available on your navigation menu at the side here. On my navigation menu, I have a filter looking at company and contacts. If I'm looking for a particular telephone area code, if we key on the code, click on the icon or press our enter key, the system displays the records that match that code. I can double click on a record which will open an entity in its own window. And also on the selector I can right mouse click and use different sort by options. I can also move and save the column positions. The last used column will show the last date that that record was used and opened in the System Search. In day-to-day use of the system, relevant information is automatically updated to the System Search. There is a shortcut to access the System Search at the top right-hand corner of the main window. To use the shortcut, enter the text required, hit your icon or press your enter key. A new instance of the System Search selector will be displayed, showing the records matching the search. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any queries, please contact us.